In this video, I'm going to make this little teddy bear. Prepare a brown coral tweezers. The whole method is similar to the previous one, but there will be some small adjustments in detail. First, pick up the end of the tweezers. Leave a little longer than the middle finger, and wrap it around your finger twice. We need to make this circle a little smaller. Otherwise it won't be enough to use later. The first circle should be a little bigger than the second circle. Then lift the long end from the left and make its ears. Pass it through the middle of the two holes and pinch it tightly. The right ear is the same. Still pass it through the middle. Be careful to keep the same length as the left ear. Twist the ear 1 or 2 times and then fold it down. After making the ears, lift the long end to the back of the head and continue to pass it through the middle of the two holes to fill its head. After the right ear is done, pass it through the left ear again. You don't have to pull this place too tight to fill its head. Fold the first circle up. This is its forehead. After adjusting the shape of the ears, press it down again. Pull them out to the sides to make it fuller. Now let's make its limbs. First, use a long stick to fold a right leg out, a little wider than the head. Then fold the left leg. At this time, the stick is behind the body. Continue to fold its right hind leg. Note that this length should be a little shorter than the front leg, or keep the same length. After folding the left hind leg, the long stick is still behind the body. Lift the long stick and fold it from the lower right corner to its upper left corner. Turn to the back of the body, and then the rest of the sticks are directly wrapped around the body. Find a gap on the back. Stuff it up and squeeze it tight. The next step is to exert force to adjust its shape. The body should be squeezed tightly, otherwise it will be very loose. After squeezing it, bend its head up. Twist all four limbs down, lift its tail up, and make it into a standing dog. The skeleton of the body is ready. The next step is the beauty part. Pick out all the hair and brush it again. If you want to trim the hair, this is what it looks like after trimming. There is a clear dividing line between the head and the body. On the side, the eyes are concave. Try to make the head as round as possible. The dividing line between the ears and the face is also very obvious. The shape of the tail should also be cut out, like a small ball. Then install the facial features. It's not over yet. After installing the facial features, you will find that there is still some hair on its face that needs to be trimmed. So you still need to make some small trims to make it more exquisite. This is what it looks like after trimming. Install your favorite accessories and you're done.